Adrian?
Yeah, hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. So
Okay,
what are
finally.
what are you doing with your computer when you are offline?
No, because my Zoom wasn't working. Like, well, I would launch and then it wouldn't open. So then I restarted it and still the same problem was there. So I just reinstalled the Zoom.
Wow. Okay. Are you
Yeah.
installing games all the day on the computer?
No, no.
Really? Is it, I
Yeah.
mean, is it this laptop is used for gaming or you use another?
Yeah. No, this is what is used for gaming.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. So you left me a long time without coming to the class. I was
Yeah.
sad.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, did you have a chance to look at the homework?
Yeah.
It's quite simple, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite simple. Yeah.
I don't say it's 100% simple, but I mean, the changes that you need to do to the function, I believe, not so difficult. So,
Yeah.
okay. Show me your achievement then.
Okay.
And then until I'm able to see your screen,
Yeah.
share with me what can you remember about our last classes that we have. What do you remember about the 2D arrays and about the sorting of uh, of arrays? Why
Oh
so?
yeah, we did the searching and selection sort,
Okay, so
binary search.
that's great. May I know why do you think that selection sort is something important that we need to study?
Because it's important to sort arrays into an order.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's
Yeah, it
interesting.
makes it easier for to understand arrays with
Okay,
sorting.
and may I know also from your experience, um,
Yeah.
is it necessary to actually sort an array before we do any binary search?
Uh, yeah. I mean, normally you will use a selection sort first to sort the array, and then you use binary search.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are you sharing with me now at the moment?
Can you see my stream?
Yeah, yeah, okay. But
So you see the main contact from this.
ah, was our okay. When was this homework? Get contact list,
Is
print.
this the wrong? Did I do the wrong?
If you can check the homework. I don't think that I can remember that we have something related to home list. I believe it's the homework was about sorting a string list that you need to read from a file actually. So I can't remember any phone list uh, so far. I'm not sure from where. I mean the last class I didn't give you exercise. I asked you to solve the one that you didn't solve from the previous class,
Yeah.
previous class. So that previous class was about sorting. So can you check please from the link?
Oh, I did the wrong exercise.
I believe so. From what
Yeah,
I
I did the
see.
wrong exercise.
But from where you get that?
I think
Uh,
I
mm,
think that was because on one of the previous classes I didn't finish, so I had two work to do for this class. I had two homework to do, I think, but
okay,
I forgot about the second one, so I only did the first one.
no problem. Share with me what
I
you
think
did
that's what
and
happened.
then explain to me what you did here, and then okay, it's fine.
It's just this phone list.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you
So
make
yeah, I have
okay.
the contact class and then the phone list class.
Okay, give me a second. I need to have a look at your
Yeah.
phone list class. Are you able to summarize what you did here with to me, please?
Yeah, so basically I get the input from the user, the name and the phone number,
Uh-huh.
and then basically I just ask them whether they want to continue or not. If they say no, then I just print out however many name and phone numbers they have given me. And if they say yes, then I let them input another, it's like I loop it back to enter name and phone number.
Okay, my question to you is,
Yeah.
before we leave, I think there is no, I mean, I believe we did actually that before, but never mind. It's a reminder for everybody. So if we
Okay.
have a private variable like that, um,
Yeah.
why we put it private? Why we didn't put it public?
Mm,
Okay, are we able to
mm.
access variables, private variables from outside the phone list?
Uh,
Okay, so
wait.
let me try to remind you.
Yeah, yeah,
The purpose of putting either public, using public or even private variables
yeah.
is actually, first of all, we encapsulate all the related variables that is related to the class that we are dealing with inside
Mm,
its in a specific place that is related to the class that we are creating. That's first one
mm,
thing. Second thing is we didn't create it public because if we create something public, then any application or other class other than the phone list can actually change any public variable that is listed inside. If it is private, it means that
right,
only the methods created inside this class can actually change private variables. So if
right.
you want to print this array list, which is full of context, so you have to use a method like that. If you want to fill it in like this, so you also use a method like that. So only the method inside this class can access this private variable. Why we do that? Because uh, by logic, this phone list belong to that class only. If we
Yeah.
allow something from outside to change it, that might create bugs that we are not able to solve. So we always try to protect the variables by creating them private so that when there is a bug or an issue, then we no need to search in a 7,000 line of code which one of them actually change this private variable or change this variable. But we will be only checking these two that deal with this kind of variable. So if we have a bug or problems that occurs at certain time of the code, then we know that, oh, the problem could be only here in these few lines, not in the whole application that is using the phone list. So that's why we always
Mm,
try to use private variables. Okay. um, so yeah, I understand that by time you start to forget certain things. It is
yeah.
fine, but I need to be aware of that so that I see what actions I need to do to be able to help you. Again, I'm not testing you.
Mm,
I'm
yeah.
not the person who should test you actually.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
only here to remind you, to help you, not to test you. And anything that happen in the class always remain within the class.
Yeah.
So, okay, that is fine, but please open the other exercise, the last exercise on. Uh, I will not ask you to do it with me now because I want to give you
Yeah.
finish the other things that we have, but just open the exercise, and we discuss about it.
Okay. Let me find it. Okay. Sort name using selection sort. Okay.
Can you please just go through it first?
Okay. Well, I need to input so many names.
No, you don't need to input that names. Actually, this names is in a file. So you need to read the
Oh,
file. Okay, so you need to create a function that reads a file, a data from a file, and input them in
yeah.
an array list. So what I'm going to do now, um, let me pause.
Uh, First I just got that. Now I am putting in the file. First I just copied the code that you sent.
Okay.
Now I'm putting in the file, and then I will just adjust. So this is names. But how do I?
Mhm. You can actually no need to copy like that, but you can
Because now,
move
like,
the file.
how do I get this to have this file in it? Been so long
Mm,
since we did this.
wait,
First I need to download
no.
from
So
you. Oh, okay.
you have, yes, you have to download the file, yes. So you have two options. You either grab and drop your download and put it on the list here. So
Right.
this is
Okay, I don't need
one way.
this. I can just put it in here.
Yes. So that will,
Okay.
okay.
Then now in my main, I don't need all of this.
And
Okay.
so
I
in
don't
your
need.
main, even you don't need, yep,
Yeah.
even that one also you don't need.
So yeah. And then this.
Okay.
So just like this. Okay.
Yeah, you can do that.
This
But tell
is.
me first, did you import the file in the main? Go up, please.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have it
yeah,
here.
yeah, 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 yeah.
And the
Okay.
scanner, okay. We'll see.
Let me I run this.
What is
Oh,
the error? Mhm.
no. No. Okay.
You did not import Java. Did you tell the scanner? So you just copy it
Oh,
from here.
wait. So all this I don't need. Um, what do I mean?
Go up,
Wait, what do you
totally up.
mean? Oh,
So
oh,
you didn't import the scanner, so you have to.
Java dot util dot scanner like that.
Yeah, and wait, I also still need to.
No.
Okay, wait. Um, wait. I think you see this file, class array
Mm,
methods. Where is this file? Java read text file. Actually, sorry,
Read.
that is not needed. That lot line is not needed because you already here put a
Oh,
dot
I don't
asterisk.
need this. Okay. Oh, okay. This line I need it. Okay.
Okay, put back. Yeah.
This- okay.
Okay, let us look what is the issue. So names dot list is not found. File not found exception. Names underscore list.
Yeah, which is
Make sure
this.
make sure that make sure that all the text is proper because so names underscore list. Is it where is the file name? Okay, names underscore list of text. He is telling us that it is not found. And what is the number here that he's giving to us? That means 357. No such file or directory. Let me see, where is the file exactly? Where did you put the file?
Yeah, it's just
Okay, I would say come to this, come here,
let me use it.
and
Okay.
pop. Let me see. Can you try to get me a link from here? Copy file path. No, copy file path.
Oh. Oh yeah, I was supposed to copy file path. Now I remember you put it in here, right? The file path.
Yep.
Wait.
But here.
Okay.
Mhm.
There you go.
Okay, that's interesting. But then you only read line by line and then you print it out. We need you to put that in an array list, and you need to put that in a function. So this function takes the name of the file, and then it ends
Yeah.
up giving you back an array list. So how can you fill in, instead of taking one by one like that, you need to edit the code so that you insert into an array list. Search here. Where is the code that you insert something or you add something to an array list? Control F and maybe search dot add.
Isn't it control H? Just control H. Dot add. Yeah.
Yeah, this is an array list. So this is how you add.
Yeah.
So this is an example of an array list, how you add to it.
Oh, this is yeah. Okay. So okay, so if I
And
take
even this is a function that takes something and it returns an array list. And so this is exactly something that you need to do similar to that.
But does it have to be a method?
Yes, preferably.
Okay. So then I just bring this down here. Now see what.
So
Okay.
your method is to read a file into an array. So maybe you can
Yeah.
name it like that, read a file into array,
Yeah.
or read
So
file
I
to
don't.
array.
So
You
I
you
don't need.
you
Oh, well,
need
I
to
don't need
return.
this.
You don't need a copy. Yes, you need to rename it to something that is
So what I just add
add
a
to
file.
no, add file. I think read file. You can put it read file like that.
File.
Okay, and then you take the file name. You take an
Yeah.
input file name.
Okay. So then I just leave my input as file name.
Yes, but it need to be a string.
Yeah.
So string file name. Okay, and then you return what? You return an array list, which is correct. Now you have to take the code that we do it here and fit it inside. But
Wow.
first,
Okay.
before you do that, look first how you add things to an. This is the key here, so that you are able to change. So you got something, you read something. This is a loop. It reads something from
Yeah.
this array, and it added to this result array list.
Yeah. Okay. So I should just move this into the file, right?
So no, this should move in and replace that code. But the key, if you understand this line, you're able to edit this code, and instead of just printing out something, you have to modify it so that it enters an array list, because at the end you need to return an array list like that. But you
Mm.
cannot return an array list that is empty. You have to fill it in with something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I right? So what are you reading here? Look at this code first. Do you understand this code? These two lines.
Yeah, yeah, I'm printing out the token, and then the token is the file that I'm reading.
This is
Oh,
what you are reading. So what you yes, you are
yeah.
printing it out, but you don't need to print it out. Here you do it
Yeah,
just
so
for show to know that.
technically, can I just change this into token?
Excellent. Yes, yes, yes. You start to work back. Okay, that's great.
But this will say that, token doesn't like see like
Yes, because you didn't copy the whole code. I mean, here it's
correct.
depending on the I mean,
So
you should
should I
modify this certain codes here. It's not necessary. It's not needed. You need to bring this in here, and then you should know where you need to put this result add token.
yeah, so should I just copy this and put it in?
Yes, as a start, yes, you can do that. Yes.
Yeah, gonna be a long code. Okay. So I should put it in before the result. Oh, but then I don't want it to loop, so I should put it in before the loop, right?
Before the loop, yes.
I will leave this first, but later I won't need that. So technically this should work, right?
You can try to run and see.
This will print it twice so that I don't want it to be here. Open the run.
What is the error?
Hmm. Okay.
Cannot find
So
simple. He is telling you that you are trying to loop through an array that is. So where is the line of the error? 391. Here.
yeah.
Okay. Can I know what is the purpose of this array?
This is to loop it for like for every variable in the array. So until the array length, right? So this
Fine. Where is the array that
yeah.
you're dealing with? Is there any array that we need to deal with here?
I mean here I don't need this. Okay. Hmm.
So sorry, we have to close and open again, please.
Okay. Okay.